interesting project here. I picked up a Sheraton sofa. I'm not sure if it's a 1800 Sheraton sofa. It could be a reproduction or an old reproduction. We won't know maybe until we start stripping it apart. But it was very interesting when I picked it up. The client said, now if you find any notes, make sure you bring them back. I said, what do you mean, green notes? She says, yes, this was found on the streets of Philadelphia as a trash find. So she thought that maybe, being from Philadelphia and having some historical background on the sofa, that maybe we'll find something. So in the past, over the 42, 43 years that I've been upholstering, I have found some interesting items, including Rolex watches that I always return. I always think it's better to return things and be honest. And your customer, you'll have a customer for life and you'll have all their friends for life. In the long run, honesty does pay. I want everybody to know that. But let's get going. I'm really excited. So I already have my envelope already marked. So if we find any dollars, we're going to stick it in the envelope. We're going to seal the envelope and we're going to hand it back to the client. So let's get going. We'll have a treasure hunt. So we're going to show you an easy way of taking tax out. Using the leverage of the fabric and your side cutters are essential. Goggles, I would wear goggles. I only have glasses on, but I'm going to be looking straight ahead and really have nobody around in your shop when you do this, because tacks are going to be flying, and I'll show you. If it comes off the way I want it to come off, it won't take long to strip the outsides and then to look inside the sofa to see if we got any treasures from Philadelphia. So let's get going. Got to grab hold of the fabric and pull it. Yeah, okay. Hear the tacks flying. Really can't do this with people around. It's an easy way of doing it, but not. Make sure you have your goggles on. Make sure that, oftentimes I'll close my eyes when I pull, just in case a tack wanders around the outside of my glasses. I'm looking straight ahead. And poor Patrick, he's got his goggles on, thankfully. Our cameraman won't get attacked by one of these. Okay, so we've got the outside off. So now what we're going to do is going to strip the cotton. The cotton comes right off. We're not going to reuse the cotton, obviously, so we're not carrying it very much. Okay, and then even while you have it, you don't have to turn the sofa upside down, especially if you're working by yourself. You could take this outside back off just like it is. A lot of times it's just like you have to grab hold of it. Be careful there's no tacks there. In just the right way and give it a pull. Look at your fabric. Your fabric works for you. The leverage, look. Look at that. That's beautiful, it came right off. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is, so far we don't see any notes, but if there is anything realistically, it's gonna be in this pocket here. And if you've done upholstery before, you know that the top layer of fabric is the inside arm, or the inside back in this case, and when you pull it up, usually, oh, I see something in here, actually. We got some coins. We've got some coins. They're modern. Something else in here. Don't know what that is. I don't think they're silver. We've got a penny. I'm not sure what that is. You know, anything before, I believe, 1962 is silver. And you would know that that's silver if you couldn't read the date. You went like this, and you know silver when it hits. Okay, let's look at the other pocket. So far we've got a total of 36 cents. Oh, got something here. Oh, this is some type of Pokemon. My son would know more. Is that rare, Patrick? Put it over there. Okay, we have another coin here. We have a dime. So far, this is all modern stuff. Nothing from Benjamin Franklin's Philadelphia. And I could tell from the fabric now, you know, looking at the fabric, that this is a fairly modern fabric. So this has been recently upholstered. Unless whoever upholstered it wasn't careful and left the original pockets, you may not find anything from, you know, when the sofa was built or around then. So let me just pull this up and see what we got here. It's always fun.
What the?
Saute. Okay, nothing in the soft wood helps with this technique, or older wood, because the tacks aren't in there. It's tight. Okay, we're almost to the last pocket, potential treasure. Sometimes, most of the times what we find are sentimental things for the family, you know. Like that Pokemon card or sticker that we just found. That means something to somebody in that family, so that will be fun to return that. So let's see what we got here. Actually, see my fingers coming through there? Be careful when you do that. So there's nothing else in the sofa, but that was fun. So we were all ready. Now we'll put the 36 cents in the Pokemon card in the envelope and hand it to the customer. It'll be fun. And the customer will remember that and remember our company for a long time to come. Thank you very much. Till next time.